Yo, what up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy, Amos Shine.
Okay, Mr. Song is the kingmaker.
If we're not that.
Leo the Silver.
Fanika.
Angel.
Always
download
Bounce News.
Bounce News.
Bounce News app from
The Google Play Store.
and the Apple Store.
It's fun.
Keep bouncing.
Again, it's Over the Bottles, and we are here at 1759 Lounge in Oregu area of Lagos State. And today we are still discussing the World Cup. It's the thing of the season. But aside from that, we also look at domestic issues, domestic violence in homes. But our concern is about the fact that these issues are being taken online to social networks. Is this supposed to be so? Join me and my friends on Over the Bottles. Amuleka. Alpha. Russell, Arelo. Now don't start. Don't start. Gift, please. How far with the World Cup now?
That's today now. This is so just
I hope you are not disappointed.
I'm not disappointed. In fact, apart from the fact that I really wanted England to win, but they've won it before, and Croatia have not won it before, so it's an opportunity for Croatia to get to win the World Cup. But thank God say England lose to Croatia, because before that game, English press, they don't carry the matter go another level.
That game, that particular game,
The way
at
Nigeria
that
has gone,
point,
they kick against
I wanted England to be out.
Nigerians wanted Croatia to win.
I don't know.
Majority of Nigerians wanted Croatia because of the kind of
Like there are some
noise
people
England would have
supporting England,
made.
but a lot of people are supporting Croatia because English fans were going haywire all over the world. Giving us,
he's coming home everywhere.
Waiting they come home.
They come home.
Coming home. England is the home of football, as they say.
Yes.
And now they say the World Cup is coming home.
Well,
But with the World Cup had other plans. Remember that particular edition of this show, you know, go bring out come out. What tell una say na France?
You
Oh, they do
predicted
prediction for that place. What tell una say na France? As we don't start sport analysis now. That's why I tell una say Nigeria go come out.
Aside from that, there's something I noticed in this World Cup too, and that's the interesting part of World Cup now. Female interest. The thing don't grow.
Yes, but
I think that's as is a result of social media. This is the biggest World Cup in terms of publicity and hype.
Yes,
Because this is, World Cups every 4 years. 4 years ago, social media wasn't at this level.
now
Now, you can't run away from the hype. WhatsApp,
Whether you want to see it or not, it will come to your
you're going
face.
to have to become part of it in a way.
Maybe players or fans at the World Cup.
You're going to have to be part of it in a way because it's trendy. People are talking about it, and you have to conform with the norm. So that's what's attracting me, in my opinion.
I won't go watch World Cup.
Which World Cup now sleep they go sleep.
It isn't only.
and take a excuse.
Now sleep they go
It's
sleep.
only ball they watch. Some
I think that's another thing. I think some fine boys there for this, for this World
Now
Cup.
what you make? Now what they try let you know? Say
People like Loftus Cheek. The guy they don't post the guy on top social media still say, this guy is a footballer. They show his abs. But it's one of those things. I think women participation in football, in sports generally, it's very, very important. I see a lot of people are raising bias.
increase.
A lot of people are raising bias that FIFA pays more attention to men's football than women's football. But
makes
it's
more
a
money
no-brainer.
than
Yes.
men's
It
football.
makes more money because people are watching it more.
More.
So women are not even
It's more
watching women's
tactical.
football.
It's more tactical.
Yes.
so-
And men are not even watching women's football. So you can't put money in it. You understand? So,
But
the viewership guarantees
it may never
brand
be. It may never
participation
be
and all.
as big as men's football. Women's football may never be as big. But the
People
fact
feel it should be
remains
bigger.
that
How
women are really
why?
getting interested.
Because for me, I feel they use women to sell products
The only-
more.
the only-
But in
no.
this one, it's not even working.
Football is about
See.
viewership. The reason why the English Premiership is the biggest in the world is because of viewership. Like now, you watch EPL, right?
Yeah.
Do you watch La Liga? You don't. Exactly. That's the issue. That's why an average bottom table club in England can afford to splash 30 million on a player
Yeah.
Because they had, if you see the kind of money these guys are earning on TV rights alone, like they sell the rights in Asia, they sell it in Africa, they sell it all over the world, and because they have the hype, their media is very, 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 very good. They know how to hype. So they have the hype going for them. So English Premiership is a perfect model for any sporting event. It's like one of the biggest sporting events in the world.
Yeah, and so, one person that has been consistent in this World Cup is that sexy lady, the president of Croatia.
Yeah.
Don't let him descend on you.
If you see the way the coach hugged that woman, you know that Croatian coach. If you see the way she hugged that woman,
descend on you. This is
that hug not be here.
You are gender appropriate. Because that word they always use. They'll tell you you're because you call the woman sexy, it means you're looking at her in a sexy way.
No.
So don't let Chimamanda descend on
like
you.
the daughters of Chimamanda, if they come for you,
No,
my guy, I will just stand for one corner, they look.
But that woman makes sense. That woman makes sense.
She's pretty,
and the support she has given the team is part of what is pulling them.
She brings something different to the
She
table.
has to do. That's what she has to do. She's
She's a
president of
woman,
their country.
and two, she's the president of the country. And she's there showing support for her country. She's there, jumping up with them. Like that's huge morale for the boys now. That's huge morale for the boys.
Sure.
This one, our own. How many hours to the game? Our captain, they kidnapping Papa.
You can imagine.
You understand? So, like all these things equate support.
Her presence has really boosted.
Yeah, it has really helped them.
Boosted their morale.
It's a big deal for them.
Well, that's just it for the World Cup, and we wish them well. The season will soon start, and every other person will go back to their club. But there's an issue that is disturbing me at the moment. It's about domestic violence against women, against men. But my concern is how much people are quick to take these things on social networks. When we return, we'll look at that issue.
Hi, my name is Kiki.
Sean Kentebe.
Deyemi Okolawon.
Je m'appelle Ufoma McDermott.
Ronke Odusoya.
Sean Wajaya.
And you're watching
Bounce.
To see a lot more.
Click here to subscribe, okay?
Welcome back. We are still here at 1759 Lounge in Oregun area of Lagos, and it's over the bottles. So guys, why are people quick to taking their relationships online? Marital issues, fights at home, just rush to Instagram, post it there.
That lack of values, first of all, lack of values for maybe, those days there were things that my mother used to tell me those days that once you don't have shame again, then your life has ended. Once you don't things that people say don't matter to you anymore. You start to lose your values, and this is what's happening. People don't have shame anymore. Any little thing you bring to social media, they don't have shame anymore. You don't know that a lot of people that you are bringing these things to social media to see. It's not all of them that are happy that your marriage is going bad. It's not everybody.
Like this started from random posting of pictures. It got to posting of food, everything. It got to I'm meeting now, I'm in the church, I'm here, we're used to social media, we're used to viewing things on social media. And it's for entertainment, right? Now, we are at the point that people are taking everything
to social media.
Issues with their girlfriend, rape allegations, police issues,
rape and accusations of rape.
So it's like they are taking it there.
Even Tiwa Savage, ex-husband or former husband or current husband.
But don't you think it's better they
recently
go to court?
Posted a picture of him in a strip club.
So one reason why this is happening, people are lazy to actually follow due process, go and do the due process, go to a police report.
No, that's
and
right.
two, people
that's the
don't
wrong
have
way to look at it.
No, people don't have trust in the system. Like if something happens to you, you don't believe that if you go to a police that you get justice. So you just believe that let me just take all the evidence I have, take it to social media, and let people slander the person.
That's why I look. That's why I look.
It's a similar thing we are doing offline in terms of jungle justice, and we will either get lies or half truth.
Yes.
We will never at any point get full truth.
That is
It
it,
can't
but
work for us to be doing this social media justice of a thing, because we'll never get the, like if someone comes and say maybe police beat me, one thing, I'm in the hospital, they admitted me. Police might have harassed the person, and you now find out that there are some things that happen leading to the harassment, and maybe the harassment isn't up to what the guy is reporting. You understand? Now, the police will come back and say this and this and this is what has happened. You understand? So it's now like exchange. It has become entertainment.
Yes.
Something that is supposed to be a serious issue. Like if you have a family issue.
I think the idea behind this is to create more awareness, because it was until social media that people actually started speaking out against vices like domestic violence, assault, rape. It was
Creating
until social media
awareness
that
is a different thing.
Before then,
but
people
you can't accuse
didn't know
anybody.
issues like that.
See, you have no right to accuse someone.
It does not take away. It does not take away the laws against defamation and slandering.
Yes,
it does not take away those laws.
I'm saying
if you slander somebody. If you slander somebody, the law will take its course.
If someone assaults you sexually, report it. If someone is accusing you wrongly, report it. Like that's where we have
slaps you.
Now imagine that maybe something happened between you and someone, and like it's just like a minor disagreement. Person takes it to social media and it escalates before then. You are not opportune to speak your own part of the story, and people have started calling you names. Trust me, that thing has taken away the whole issue entirely. The whole issue might not be that serious, but the seriousness now is that everybody who knows you already tags you as something.
Because the fact is this: before you respond, there's a tendency that the hype had died down.
People are using social media for bullying.
See,
platforms like all these Instagram blogs.
Yes,
they are using social media for bullying.
Like speaking up.
Speaking up is good.
Speaking up is one
but
part of social media.
But by the time you start mentioning someone's name, that this particular person, you mention the person's handle, now it has become serious.
Then the person will come and like the time we treated beggar to Aja issue.
Yes. It was very lucky to have screenshots.
So
if you have no evidence,
against the other
exactly,
girls,
that's my point. That's my point. We are going to be naming lots of innocent people if we start going down these routes.
Yes.
People are going to use this thing to bully people.
I feel if you have the platform, you speak your own mind. I'm
No,
not saying
it can't work like that.
See, I'm saying there are issues that shouldn't come to social media. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying that it's okay to bring your family issues to social media. It's very wrong. But my issue is if somebody brings your issue and is speaking ill against you, is speaking negative against you on social media, I think it's your right or it's your own.
Do you know that even if you defend yourself, at that particular point, if you are working somewhere, they might suspend you.
Of course.
If you are working in a sensitive position, they will suspend you.
I will still go back to that beggar to solve it. If the guy did not have his evidence, he would have had those issues. But he had his evidence and he was able to clear.
I'm saying he was lucky to have that evidence.
Okay,
he was lucky to have it. If he didn't have that evidence, right now he will be struggling to defend himself.
So we can't. My fear is that if this thing continues this way, there's a tendency that they could kill someone one day because of what somebody said about him on a social media. You see him on the street, and
just like, do you know that is like this thing is like jungle justice. It's like social media justice, like jungle justice. Do you know that if you go to the market and someone sees another person like and they start saying ole, do you know that before you know anything, they've gathered, they start beating the person. If you now ask one of those people like, what did he do? The person will tell you that they said
he stole.
You understand? So a lot of times, a lot of innocent people have gone down. Look at the Alu situation.
Alu 4.
A lot of people who participated in beating those boys did not know what they did.
So what are you now trying to say?
I'm trying to say that for sensitive issues don't
because it's the same thing that was dealt with without social media.
I'm saying if you want to do awareness, like if I want to do awareness over sexual assault, rape,
there are
a lot of those
things
I won't mention the person's name. I can mention that this event happened and everything. Now you can get there are a lot of there are a lot of rights groups. There are a lot of rights groups on social media and everything who will help you take your case to court.
See, me,
I'm saying don't mention
like that,
a person's name for something that should go to the court.
I believe in cases like that, in cases of assault, rape, and all that, don't even bring it to social media. That is my own. It's not about whether somebody is saying
don't bring
the
it to
truth or
social
don't
media.
bring it to social media.
Even if you are going to bring it for entertainment
if you
as a
have
story,
your evidence, take it to
don't mention anybody's name. Don't mention anybody's name because people are using this thing for bullying. People are bullying celebrities on social media. We are aware of this thing. People are doing it on all these blogs. We all know the blogs. Some of the blogs are doing it. People in comments are mentioning they are bullying celebrities. Anybody. So now people are now like scared to speak up or you understand. At the end of the day, it's going to become negative. Like what we're trying to do. Social media is good. It's good for awareness. It's a general place where we can all come and talk about a certain thing
and socialize.
Which we've never had.
The positive side of social media still outweighs the negative side of it.
I'm saying like there's this. Do you know why they never convict a criminal if you can't table enough evidence? Because instead of sending one innocent person to jail, you rather let the person be because like the justice system is at fault for every innocent man that is sentenced to prison. It's good to have bad people on the street. They'll and you catch them later. You understand?
But to incarcerate an innocent
person,
right?
It's against.
So that's just it. And on that note, we come to the end of today's edition of Over the Bottles. And you have had it. The best way to go is do the legal thing. Reduce the number of family issues that you put on social media. You never can tell. It will lead to murder. And that is Over the Bottles. And we are here at 1759 Lounge in Oregun. Make comments. If you love what you do here, you can join this table and be part of this whole discussion. Follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, this is Bam Bam.
Teddy,
Download Bounce News app. Your news,
your